Casio Celviano AP-270 Review 2026. Don't waste your money. Are you tired of mediocre keyboards that fall short on sound quality and authentic piano feel? Maybe you're a music student looking to upgrade from your old keyboard, or perhaps you're simply seeking the best home entertainment system for your family. If so, keep watching because I'll reveal what I discovered about the Casio Celviano AP-270, and trust me when I say it's not just another run-of-the-mill keyboard. But here's what surprised me: despite its compact design, this piano packs a punch that will blow you away. Therefore, if you're still using an old keyboard that lacks the real piano experience, continue reading to learn how the Casio Celviano AP-270 can elevate your music and home entertainment. The Casio Celviano AP-270 is an advanced digital piano designed for both beginners and professionals alike. But don't let its sleek appearance fool you. This instrument has so much more to offer than just a stylish design. Therefore, I'll take you through the key features that set it apart from other digital pianos on the market. At first glance, you might be tempted by cheaper alternatives, but let me ask you, have you ever considered what happens when you sacrifice quality for price? That's right, you get a poor imitation of an authentic piano experience. Therefore, I recommend investing in a product that truly delivers, and from my research, the Casio Celviano AP-270 is definitely worth every penny. Now let's take a deeper dive into what makes this digital piano so exceptional. With its tri-sensor hammer action technology, you can expect an incredibly realistic playing feel. But here's what I found particularly impressive. The AP-270 features 256 notes of polyphony, which means you can play complex chords and melodies without any sound dropouts or lag. But don't just take my word for it, let's explore some of the other key features that set this digital piano apart. Advanced tri-sensor hammer action technology for authentic playing feel. 256 note polyphony for seamless playback. Rich, detailed sound with 4 speakers, 16 cm x 6 cm, and a powerful amplifier. Built-in recorder and metronome for effortless practice. Connectivity options via USB MIDI. In audio outputs. Now that we've explored the features of this digital piano, I want to address a pressing concern many of you might have. Is it worth the investment? Therefore, let's weigh the pros against the cons. On one hand, you'll get an exceptional playing experience with authentic sounds and realistic touch. You can also connect your instrument to a variety of devices for seamless recording and playback. But on the other hand, this digital piano does come with a hefty price tag. However, I firmly believe that investing in quality pays off in the long run. With the Casio Celviano AP-270, you'll be able to practice more efficiently, record your performances with ease, and enjoy an unparalleled sound quality that will elevate any music session. In conclusion, if you're serious about upgrading your keyboard or seeking a reliable home entertainment system, don't waste another minute. Invest in the Casio Celviano AP-270. Trust me when I say it's worth every penny. This digital piano is a game changer for anyone looking to take their music to the next level. For the best price on Amazon, click the link in the description below to get your hands on one today. Link in description. Note, as with any product review, make sure to research and purchase from authorized retailers or the official Casio website to ensure authenticity and warranty.